Hi everyone, it's Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about the techniques we use when we are steering. So, one of the old myths is that you are not allowed to cross your arms on a driving test. Now that is not entirely true. As long as you have got full control of the car at all times, you are allowed to cross your arms. However, the safest way to drive and hold the steering wheel is by putting your hands at either the 10 and 2 position, the 9 and 3 position, or the 8 and 4 position. This allows us to steer ideally using a pull-push technique as opposed to crossing our arms, where our arms may get locked up and not be able to steer as much as is needed. Now, like I say, on the driving test, as long as you don't end up in a situation where you have understeered or oversteered because of it, you can actually cross your arms. But remember, the safest way is to use a pull-push technique in one of the positions I shown you earlier. If you found that information useful, then please like, comment and share it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or if you need help with your theory test, then you can join our online theory course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.